Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to just experiment a little bit and try a little 60s inspired glam look. It was really fun to do. I feel great. I feel fabulous. So keep on watching to see how I did it. I struggled a little bit. Honestly, I almost cried, but we did it. Give this video a like, subscribe for one video a week. Hope you enjoy it. Keep on watching. Alright, first things first, eyebrows. Actually, I think I'm gonna prime my face today. I honestly never use primer, but whenever I make a video, I feel like I should. Sometimes I use it if I'm going out for the night though, because I guess it does make your makeup last longer. I can't tell if primer breaks me out. A lot of people have said that primer breaks them out, but I think makeup in general breaks me out, so fuck it. I also love spraying this Fix Plus on my face before doing my makeup. It's nice, you know? My pump for this broke off. I think I talked about that in my last video. Or it didn't break off, it's just broken. But I just put in another pump and it works fine, so. I honestly never do my makeup anymore. And so I want to start just trying different makeup looks just on the weekend. I really don't ever wear makeup during the week because I work all week. And I'm what's the point in wearing makeup to work? Because I have to wear a mask. All you can see is my eyeballs. And all I do is serve coffee, so no makeup is. But I always do it on the weekend. I just do basic stuff. I used to be so much more into makeup and I would want to try creating new looks and things like that. But then I just stopped. I don't really know why, but I want to get into it again. And I'm not as good at makeup now as I used to be 2 years ago, because I guess I don't practice anymore. I was starting to get pretty good too, I think, in my opinion. Easy peasy. I love that the eyebrow trend is to look more natural, or else it would literally take me 20 minutes just to do my eyebrows. I'm gonna do my eye makeup before my face makeup today. Today I'm doing a kind of a 60s inspired glam. I know that Ariana Grande makeup look type thing. This concealer dries so fast, I gotta work a lot faster than this. I feel the 60s has been really popular lately, the hair and makeup from the 60s. I really like it. I've always really loved the 60s. I wish I grew up there, you know? That would have been fun. I just found this new makeup artist. Well, she's not new, she's just new to me because I just found out about her. Her Instagram is Beats by Lizzie, and her makeup looks are so nice. They're all kind of 60s inspired and they're so beautiful. I tried to kind of dress the 60s today, but I don't really have anything. I feel this dress is more 50s or something. I don't really know. I also just never do my makeup anymore because I don't have anywhere to go, which isn't a reason to do your makeup. Do it for yourself. But I just sometimes would be more motivated if I had somewhere to be besides Starbucks. Okay, there we go. I literally don't know what I'm doing. I don't know where to start with this. I'm just gonna use the Naked Reloaded palette. I think first I should probably just do a transition color, right? But I'm not gonna put it on my lid really. I feel maybe I'm just bad at makeup, but I have a weird eye shape to do makeup looks like this, honestly. It's hard to always to flip it out because I feel my eyes are really round. I don't really know. Just pop that in there. I just saw somebody on Pinterest actually do a look like this with a spoon, so I thought I could try that, but I actually just forgot about it until now. I was gonna do doing my makeup with a spoon. This looks kind of dumb. I could just tuck my hair. My hair looks disgusting. Honestly, my hair is very dirty, but I thought since I'm gonna be putting hairspray and stuff in it today, I'm doing hair and makeup today. So I didn't wash my hair. I think I have a pretty good base. Do I start with the dark line first or the light line first? So I'm gonna start. Oh my god, I'm kind of nervous, you guys. I have a slightly hooded eye, so I need to keep my eye open before I place the top line, or else you won't be able to see it. Is that good? Can you guys see that? I feel when I was looking at makeup looks like this in the 60s compared to how people are doing 60s inspired makeup now because I feel makeup artistry has evolved so much, it's a lot more clean, and then when it was actually done in the 60s, it was a little more smudgy because they just hadn't perfected it yet, I guess. Mine's gonna look like it's from the 60s, not from 2021. Y'all, I got no idea what I'm doing right now. I think I need to just redo this side. So I decided to redo both sides because one side was just way too high, but I did like the shape of it. The other side was just too low and like weird looking. I didn't know how to fix either one of them to match the others, so I just decided to restart both. And since I'm restarting both, I'm just gonna go straight in with like the dark color and then blend out from there. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, but I feel like that will make it easier for me. Now it's like too round. Why did I do it like that? I'm such a mess. I just don't even know what to do. It's too high now. All right, I turned the camera off. I got the basic line down. Finally, I guess I was just feeling a little under pressure. Everything's okay now. Okay, I just blended that out with like a lighter brown color. And then I think I'm gonna go in with like this domish brush. And I'm using like the transition shade I had originally used. And I'm going in really small circular motions. I don't know why 1 minute I'm like, I have no idea what I'm doing, then the next minute I'm like making a tutorial. Like, I still hate it. Whatever, we're just going with it now. Now I've made this mess, but I'm very confident it will be really easy to clean up in a moment. That is literally why I didn't do my face makeup first. And that's the first thing I felt confident about this whole video. I think I should have kept it matte. I wish I didn't do the shimmer, honestly. But it's too late now. There's no way in hell I'm starting over at this point. All right, does that look good? Be honest. Don't be mean though, okay? I'm gonna put on some falsies, but I'm gonna do it off camera because I'm really bad at that. So BRB. Lashes are done. Now I'm just gonna like tight line my eye. Then I'm gonna do my face makeup. Did they tight line in the 60s? I feel like they did. I actually like this. I think this is pretty. I don't know if you can really see the shimmer that well, but like I think the shimmer, like the color of it is really pretty. Now that the hard part is done, that took the most focus, I can talk more. Since this is a get ready with me, I thought I would also just do a little bit of chit chat, give you a life update, even though nobody asked for one. There's not even really a lot to like update about my life, but I don't know. I feel like I don't really talk about my life a lot on YouTube. Some things you might not know about me. I work at Starbucks. I'm a Starbucks barista. I was actually thinking about doing some videos kind of related to that a little bit. Like I was gonna do Starbucks barista rates TikTok drinks. I thought that sounded fine. I thought that sounded like an interesting video, but I don't know, maybe that's dumb. Let me know if you want to see something like that. And because I haven't really tried any of the TikTok drinks. There's only like one that I've tried. But since I've thought about that video idea, I just didn't really want to like try anymore. Sometimes TikTok drinks are so complicated that even I don't want to order them. I like feel bad about ordering them. And I work there, so I'm getting super glammed up. And you know where I'm going after this? Superstore. I honestly always feel like if I'm like really dolled up to go to the grocery store, I actually feel quite fabulous. I feel like a rich housewife or something. Like, oh, just going to get my groceries. Get glammed by my makeup team for 3 hours to get my groceries. I understand like the new makeup trend is to like not put a huge triangle of concealer under your eyeballs. But like the thing is, oops, that's gonna look weird. The thing is, I have really bad, huge ass dark circles. So I'm like, how am I supposed to cover that up without my triangles? Also, my birthday is in about a week. Super excited. Not really, honestly. I'm gonna be 23 and I feel like I'm getting old. I was thinking about doing a birthday vlog. I'm not gonna do much. It's on a Tuesday, but like, I don't know, I just thought I'd like vlog the day. I do kind of like vlogging, but I just never do anything, so I like don't want to just vlog myself just sitting at home all day because that's boring. I keep saying that I feel like I'm getting old. I understand that I'm not really that old, but it just feels like it sometimes. I applied to university. I'm going back a little late. I don't know yet if I got in. I think I should hopefully find out soon. If not, I'm just gonna cry because then I don't know what I'm doing with my life. I could just be a TikToker. My boyfriend and I, Mitchell, we're doing TikToks, so you should check that out. Our page is Mitchell and Meara. We're gonna be the next biggest TikTok couple, I'm telling you. I do this so fast. Lately, my like everyday makeup routine, I'll do basically like a basic face base or whatever, and then I like put bronzer on my eyebrows, put bronzer on like my eyelids, mascara, and then, you know, my face makeup, and then I'm done. Takes no time at all. So yeah, now like the thing that takes me a long time is my eyes. But that's why I want to start doing like more like fun makeup looks so that I can just like get better again and just practice, try something new. So let me know if you want me to keep doing this. It's not really like a tutorial because I'm learning myself. I already have a pretty small nose, but I just love making it look even smaller. You can never have too much blush, okay? Should I put lower lash mascara? Yeah. People did a lot of that in the 60s. I have spider legs crawling out of my eyeball. So I went way too hard with my mascara. I literally suddenly looked like a train wreck. It was actually really cute before I did this. Now for highlight, I don't know if highlight was a big thing in the 60s, but I still love it. It's not even a big thing now, but I don't want to drop it. Lips, we're wrapping this up real quick. The 60s is like a nice nude pink or red. I don't wear red. All right, I'm doing my hair now. Usually, I'm better doing my hair than my eyeshadow, so let's hope that's the case today. I've been off center this whole time. Okay, so I'm just gonna take kind of like a fairly deep side part and then take like, I don't know, that's like 2 inches of hair and just part the front part here. This back piece, I'm just gonna clip that back and then I'm gonna do the same on the other side. I'm gonna like match it up. Hairspray. Coat that, smooth it out, pin it behind my ear, and then same thing on the other side. Then I'm just gonna extra hairspray it. We don't want this to move, okay? Okay, then behind that front parting, we want everything else to go backwards. So I'm gonna take it in like little sections, little subsections, and then I'm just gonna tease it. Her in the 60s was big. Then I'm just gonna lightly smooth it over. And then I put this headband on. I was getting kind of anxious about how big it was getting, so I actually made it smaller. Now I think it's too small, but I don't know, I think this is so cute. This is gonna be my new everyday glam. I'm just kidding, that would take way too long for me, probably. I'm obsessed with this look. I love myself right now. All right, so that's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about it. Like I said, let me know if you want me to do more videos where you learn with me how to do makeup. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe. I post once a week. And thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful, fantabulous day, and peace out.